Hi everyone! I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome to today's science lesson. Have you ever wondered why some objects float and others sink? Hop with me on my boat so that we can find out why some objects float and the others sink. Buoyancy is the ability of an object to float on water. Some objects are buoyant or can float, and others will sink. An object will float if it is less dense or lighter than water, such as plastic, paper, wood, or rubber. What other objects can you think of that can also float? An object will float if it is less dense. Let's test the theory. Here I have a bowl of water, and here I have a piece of wood. If the theory is correct, the wood will float. If it is incorrect, the wood will sink. As you can see, the wood is floating on the water. That means the wood is less dense or lighter than the water. An object will sink if it is more dense or heavier than water, such as glass, metal, stone, or a rock. What other objects can you think of that will also sink? Let's test the theory. Here I have a bowl of water, and here I have a rock. If the theory is correct, the rock will sink. If the theory is incorrect, the rock will float. As you can see, the rock did sink and the theory is correct. Let's see if you will be able to identify the objects that will float and the objects that will sink. Take a look at these pictures. Place them in the correct column. Which ones will float and which ones will sink? Well done! The ones that can float is the plastic cup, the rubber ball, and the paper boat. The ones that will sink will be the hammer, the coins, and the keys. Thank you so much for floating by. I hope that all of this information sank deep into your mind. See you next time.